Keeping your car clean can be a real challenge, especially when you park on the street or in a shared parking area. Dealing with long hoses, heavy buckets, and finding a proper place to drain dirty water can quickly turn a simple wash into a time-consuming chore. That's exactly the problem the Linio H1 is designed to solve with its compact all-in-one portable car washing system. The Linio H1 comes in a small two-wheeled cube that's easy to move around and store. It measures about 13 inches across and weighs just 21 pounds, making it surprisingly portable for a complete washing system. A telescoping wand and motorized roller head are neatly stored on top, while inside you'll find separate tanks for clean water and dirty water. Just fill the fresh water tank with a little under a gallon of water, roll it next to your vehicle, and you're ready to start cleaning. Using the H1 is designed to be simple. The built-in system automatically mixes pH-neutral detergent at the correct 1:50 ratio, so there's no need to measure anything yourself. Pull the foam trigger, and a thick layer of foam covers the car. The motorized roller gently lifts dirt from the paint while extracting debris before it can scratch the surface. At the same time, a nano-ceramic coating is applied, followed by a light mist rinse to finish the job. There's even a green indicator light on the wand that helps you maintain the right angle and pressure while cleaning curves and body panels. Once you get familiar with the system, washing an entire car typically takes around 20 minutes. The built-in 5,000 mAh battery provides enough power for up to 2 complete exterior washes on a single charge. And it recharges in about 2.5 hours. For people who wash multiple vehicles regularly, there's also a hybrid plug-in version that provides continuous power. The H1 doesn't stop at washing your car's exterior. When you're done outside, simply switch it into vacuum mode to clean seats, floor mats, and other interior surfaces. Its closed-loop system collects dirty water, instead of letting it run into parking lots or storm drains, making the process cleaner and more environmentally friendly. The unit is also strong enough to support an adult's weight, helping you safely reach the roof of taller vehicles. Replacement sponges and blades are easy to find, and the system works with the most pH-neutral car soaps. Pricing starts at $349 for the cordless model, while the hybrid version begins at $399. Buyers can also add an extra battery for longer cleaning sessions. The Kickstarter campaign is scheduled to run until mid-July 2026, with shipping expected to begin in September, for customers in the United States, Canada, Europe, and Australia. It could be an interesting option for anyone looking to make car washing faster, cleaner, and much more convenient.